stay down, stay down, stay down.
Getting in my morning coffee here before this work day starts. Let's see here. I'll do all the putting in the coffee grounds, setting. Oh, I gotta set the time too. Setting the time. Alright, now for this coffee. Get this coffee in here. Can't have a day without coffee. It just gets you going, you know? This isn't my favorite one though, but we'll use it. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Alright, get it in there. I like to fill it up, get a good, nice and dark, strong cup of coffee going here. Alright, let's see what we got over here. We got, oh, and here we're getting going through my orders for emails and such here. Looks like a lot of work, doesn't it? Lots of work. These are for greeting cards, so those of you who would love some greeting cards are definitely going to have them available. Oh, and here's my orders. My sample orders came, so I was watching one of your YouTube videos. I'm not sure who the young lady was. I'll have to go back and get her name, but she got some cards from PS Print. Oh, it was Cat Print. My bad. And I tried this order from them, so I'm looking to get greeting cards from them. But these here will be prints that I will offer in my Etsy store. So let's see what they look like. So far, so good. Box of goodies, and I've been waiting for this forever and a day. This order is from my cards from Cat Print. So I'm gonna open up the package. You actually see if they got it right on it, like if you wanted to use it as a card. On the back, I think a couple of different things that's not going on now. Let's see if they got the. I think they did it more like print rather than card. I just have to do another order here. This is nice. Yeah. But this one is the one I'm really concerned about, because this one didn't come out right at all. So this is supposed to be 5 by 7. That does not look like 5 by 7. That looks like a lot larger. Sorry as I put this paper here. Sorry, I had to cut that out. Alright, so this is actually a 10 by 17. I mean, no, I take it back. 7 by 10. And not a bad print, but not the right size. So this is supposed to be 5 by 7. And I just did a small run. Again, nice paper. Let's see here. Put these together. So they gave me a 10% off. Something about we made it. Where's the actual where's the somebody else? Alright, our Hobby Lobby trip. Okay, well, if you guys are interested in going and checking that out, feel free. But here's my